We are at the Coal Creek Trail. We want to go see the... Well, James is telling us something, but he's not facing the camera. Face the camera and tell us that. Tell me again.
Whatever. I don't like to say.
Okay, I'll talk then. So this is the Coal Creek Trail. This trail's blocked, but we have another way to go. We're trying to get to the Coal Creek Trail's waterfall, which should be spectacular today. This is called Coal Creek because it was a mining area. There's a mine shaft. It used to be that 200 miners and 20 mules were working here in this area, and they'd ship the coal off to San Francisco. So we're going to go check out the creek right now. Here's Coal Creek, the Pineapple Express, a series of winter storms hit the Puget Sound area this week, getting flooding in various areas, and this is really impressive. This is just a bare little trickle in the summer. Now on to the waterfall. Here's another impressive view of the creek, rushing along. You can just see the waterfall down ahead. So here's what we came to see. This is the waterfall in the creek. This thing just barely trickles over in August, and my kids play down right where the water's playing. I can feel the wind off that rushing water blowing on me. We are in the heart of Bellevue. We have this wilderness trail. What do you think about it, James? What do you think about it?
Good.
Tell us something, Austin. Oh, all right. Let's look at the waterfall again. That is impressive. You really feel this wind. It's kind of amazing. Go check out one more area. And here's one more waterfall. Just downstream from the major one. Just see the big waterfall up there. An everyday event, which is why we came out. We've had most of a week of pretty heavy rain, and I thought this would be impressive. It rained very hard today. It's slowed down at the moment. So we're going to head on down the trail, see what else might be interesting. Maybe we'll find some deer. Well, we encountered a little problem in the trail.
This a huge puddle.
Austin is scouting around for a way around.
I'm going to look at this.
James, just walk through it. Let's see how deep it is.
No way. Well, I want to be a swamp monster.
Well, you make a good swamp monster. Is there a way around, Austin? Well, try it.
That'd be dangerous. Actually, that would be the dangerous thing I would clean up. Anymore. You
found a way around.
I almost died. You killed me.
I don't think so.
This was a puddle. This is a puddle of doom.
An impressive puddle.
Well, I call it a pond. That's how I use it. Because I don't call this a puddle at all. It's mud. I would, if I were a frog, I'll go on those trees and then I'll go into that. That's how I see it. Yep, you're on. I think your trail is dangerous. This trail is working.
Austin made it. We're all safe across. Goodbye, evil. This is one of my favorite places to stop on this trail in the spring with the leaves.
I wouldn't want to pee in the...
I always thought it looked kind of like the Shire in
I can't believe we got
in
puddles,
Lord of the Rings.
everything.
Today it's a little gray, but lots of moss, lots of ferns to see.
And they're sticking out the trees.
Mossy trees.
The ferns are sticking out the trees.
Like a rainforest, like you see on the Olympic Peninsula.
Yeah, lots of ferns.
All right, we're going to complete the trail.
There's